What's up, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. Today, we're tackling a challenge everyone can relate to, using up those leftover veggies in the fridge before they become science experiments. We're talking delicious, easy recipes that'll make you actually to eat your vegetables. Get ready to transform those wilting carrots and sad-looking peppers into culinary masterpieces. We've got 10 awesome recipes that are so good, you'll be looking forward to leftovers. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more awesome recipes. Hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any future food adventures. Let's get cooking. Alright, first up, we're going full-on flavor with some epic veggie fried rice. This is the perfect recipe to use up all those random veggies you've got chilling in the crisper drawer. Here's what you'll need. 2 cups of cooked and cooled rice. Any kind will do. Then grab 1 cup of chopped leftover veggies. I'm talking carrots, peas, corn, broccoli, whatever you've got. Next up, we need some flavor. Grab 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, 1 teaspoon of sesame oil, and half a teaspoon of garlic powder. And of course, no fried rice is complete without eggs. We'll need 2 of those bad boys. Finally, salt and pepper to taste, and some chopped green onions for garnish if you're feeling fancy. Now that we've got our ingredients prepped and ready to go, it's time to dive into the cooking process. Preparation is key, and having everything chopped and measured out makes the cooking experience smooth and enjoyable. Let's fire up those stoves and make some magic happen. Cooking is not just about following a recipe, it's about bringing your own flair and creativity to the dish. First things first, heat a large skillet or wok over medium-high heat and add a tablespoon of cooking oil. The type of oil you use can add different flavors, so choose one that complements your dish. Once your pan is nice and hot, crack those 2 eggs directly into the skillet and scramble them up. Eggs cook quickly, so keep an eye on them to ensure they don't overcook. We're going for fluffy, delicious egg pieces here. The key to fluffy eggs is to keep them moving in the pan and not let them sit too long. Once your eggs are cooked to perfection, scoot them to the side of the pan and add in your chopped veggies. This method allows the eggs to stay fluffy while the vegetables cook. Stir-fry those for about 3 to 5 minutes, or until they start to soften up. Stir-frying is a great way to retain the nutrients and vibrant colors of the vegetables. Now it's time to add in the rice. Using day-old rice is ideal for stir-frying because it has a firmer texture and won't become mushy. Pour those 2 cups of cooked rice right into the pan and mix everything together. Make sure to break up any clumps of rice so that it mixes evenly with the vegetables and eggs. Make sure the rice is heated through. This step is crucial to ensure that all the flavors meld together and the dish is served hot and delicious. Enjoy your cooking adventure. Okay guys, this is where things get really good. We're about to take this dish to the next level. Drizzle that tablespoon of soy sauce and teaspoon of sesame oil over the rice mixture. These 2 ingredients are going to add a rich, savory depth to the dish that you just can't get enough of. Then sprinkle in the garlic powder, salt, and pepper to your liking. Don't be shy with the spices. They are what will give your fried rice that irresistible flavor. Stir everything together until it's all coated in that delicious sauce and the flavors are mingling like it's a party in your pan. Make sure every grain of rice is touched by that wonderful blend of soy sauce and sesame oil. Keep cooking for another minute or 2 just to let those flavors really soak in. This step is crucial because it allows the rice to absorb all the goodness, making each bite a burst of flavor. And there you have it, your very own restaurant-quality veggie fried rice made with love and leftovers. It's amazing how a few simple ingredients can come together to create something so delicious. Serve it up hot, garnished with those chopped green onions for a pop of color and freshness. The green onions not only add a beautiful contrast, but also a nice crunch and a hint of sharpness. Trust me, this is going to be your new go-to recipe for using up those extra veggies. It's perfect for a quick weeknight dinner or even a special occasion. Everyone will be asking for seconds and you'll be the star of the kitchen. Enjoy! Chapter 4. Veggie Soup Load Up on Goodness. Alright, moving on to our next culinary masterpiece, veggie soup. This one's for all my soup lovers out there. It's hearty, it's healthy, and it's the perfect way to warm you up from the inside out. Here's the lineup. 1 tablespoon of olive oil, 1 chopped onion, 2 cloves of garlic, minced, 4 cups of vegetable broth, and of course the stars of the show, 4 cups of chopped leftover veggies. Again, use what you've got. Carrots, celery, zucchini, potatoes, anything goes. We'll also need 1 teaspoon of dried oregano, half a teaspoon of dried basil, salt, and pepper to taste. Chapter 5. Veggie Soup, Simmer Down and Relax. Today we're diving into the art of making a comforting, hearty veggie soup that will warm your soul and soothe your senses. Get ready for some serious soup-making action. This isn't just any soup. It's a symphony of flavors and textures that will make your taste buds dance. Start by heating a tablespoon of olive oil in a large pot or Dutch oven over medium heat. The olive oil will serve as the base, adding a rich, smooth flavor to our soup. Add in your chopped onion and cook for about 5 minutes until it's softened and turning translucent. The onions will release their natural sweetness, creating a flavorful foundation for our soup. Next, toss in that minced garlic and cook for another minute until it's fragrant and smelling amazing. Garlic adds a wonderful depth of flavor, making the soup even more irresistible. Now pour in those 4 cups of vegetable broth and bring it to a boil. The broth will meld with the onions and garlic, creating a savory base for our veggies. Once it's bubbling away, add in your chopped veggies, dried oregano, dried basil, salt, and pepper. These herbs and spices will infuse the soup with aromatic flavors, making each spoonful a delight. Give everything a good stir, bring it back up to a boil, then reduce the heat to low, cover the pot, and let it simmer for about 20 to 25 minutes. This simmering time allows all the ingredients to meld together, creating a harmonious and delicious soup that's perfect for any occasion. Chapter 6. Veggie Soup Taste Bud. Heaven in a bowl. While that soup is simmering away and filling your kitchen with the most amazing aroma, let's talk about why this recipe is so awesome. It's incredibly versatile. Don't be afraid to experiment with different herbs and spices. You can add a pinch of red pepper flakes for a little kick, or some fresh parsley for extra freshness. Once your soup has simmered for 20 to 25 minutes, give it a taste and adjust the seasonings as needed. You want that perfect balance of flavors. Ladle that steaming hot soup into bowls and get ready to enjoy a comforting and delicious meal that's packed with nutrients and flavor. Alright guys, are you ready for a recipe that's as versatile as it is delicious? Get ready for the veggie frittata. This one's perfect for breakfast, lunch, or dinner. Here's what we'll need. 6 large eggs, a quarter cup of milk, a quarter cup of grated Parmesan cheese, salt and pepper to taste, and of course, our leftover veggies. I'm using about 2 cups of chopped veggies here, a mix of bell peppers, onions, spinach, and mushrooms. But feel free to get creative and use whatever you have on hand. Let's get this frittata party started. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Grab a 10-inch oven-safe skillet and heat it over medium heat. Add a tablespoon of olive oil or butter to the skillet. While the skillet is heating up, whisk together those 6 large eggs, a quarter cup of milk, grated Parmesan cheese, salt, and pepper in a medium bowl until everything is well combined. Now, pour that egg mixture into the heated skillet and let it cook for about 5 minutes or until the edges start to set. Okay, time to add those beautiful veggies. Sprinkle those 2 cups of chopped veggies evenly over the top of the egg mixture in the skillet. Now carefully transfer the skillet to the preheated oven and bake for about 15 to 20 minutes, or until the frittata is set and golden brown on top. To make sure it's fully cooked, insert a toothpick into the center. If it comes out clean, you're good to go. Let the frittata cool for a few minutes before slicing and serving. This is seriously one of the easiest and most satisfying ways to use up leftover veggies. Alright, for our final recipe, we're keeping things quick, easy, and bursting with flavor. It's time for a veggie stir-fry. This is a great recipe to have in your back pocket for those busy weeknights when you need to get dinner on the table fast. Here's what you'll need. 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil, 1 chopped onion, 2 cloves of garlic, minced, 3 cups of chopped leftover veggies. I'm using broccoli, carrots, and snap peas, and your favorite stir-fry sauce. I like to use a simple mixture of soy sauce, honey, and ginger, but feel free to use whatever you like. And there you have it, folks. 10 incredible recipes that will transform those leftover veggies from forgotten fridge dwellers to culinary superstars. I hope these recipes have inspired you to get creative in the kitchen and see leftovers as an opportunity to whip up something truly delicious. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more delicious recipes. And be sure to let me know in the comments which recipe you're most excited to try. Until next time, happy cooking!